Guys, welcome to Sho-Me Tint. We got some things cracking today. I want to show you something. I'm Randy, of course you already know that. If not, welcome. Nice to meet you. We get a lot of questions all the time. Hey, can you put this on? I bought this online. I bought this for like $2.50. So my dude, he bought a sexy headlight film, we hope, off TEMU. So the cheapest headlight tint on TEMU. They call this like Dragon Eyes or Fashion Film or Wild Ass Headlight Tint. We don't know. But anyway, I honestly don't even know. We don't know if this is gonna work or not. So just like if you bought it online, you don't know if it's gonna work. It's still in the package, right? So let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I can feel it. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna use my professional opinion on some of this. Looks like this is some tape, some high quality. Oh, this looks so fire. I don't know if you guys can see that online. So it's definitely long enough. We were questioning that. Maybe we can save this. Maybe we can use some of our skills. Maybe you run into this on some of your products. For me, I would probably try to add a little light heat to this and hopefully we can straighten it out. If not, we'll make it look as good as we can. Process is the same. Here's the headlight, right? This black Stingray, 450 horsepower or something, 455, we don't know, something like that. They wanted some stats on it. It's wrapped in paint protection film. We're gonna try to I'm gonna try to get this part out of the light to hopefully save the installation. When it was shipped, apparently it was in some kind of soft bag, so it wasn't in a box. And it has all these little creases in there. You know, it came with 0 instructions. Like, this is literally the cheapest thing you can buy on TEMU. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see if I can make it work. I've done more with less. So we're gonna clean it with some high quality glass cleaner, but it's actually like rubbing alcohol and mixed with water and with just real low concentrate. That's just gonna help me get all the waxes or anything that might be on there, bug splatter. I'm like toweling the edges. I'm toweling the crack, wicking the crack out. You gotta have a clean crack. You want your crack to be clean. Crack to be clean. Right, Dakota? You like a clean crack? Look. Are you still texting Tara? Quit, dude. God, he loves her so much. $3.84, baby. TEMU, man. For the same price, you can buy 3 shirts and a pair of shoes. This little felt part will keep it from scratching. We'd hate to put some imperfections in the film. A lot of times what I see is like a backer. So I think it has a cap sheet would protect it from any kind of imperfections during shipping. They probably should have used a thicker one, but it's out there now. And then we've got, sometimes you gotta lick it first. Okay, I got it. Hang on. I definitely got it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see these. Let me zoom in on these creases in this bad boy here, but I bet I can still make it look pretty decent. I have no idea what I'm getting into. I can't imagine how you guys feel when you buy something online and you're like, what are you doing? I'm add a little heat to her just to see what's gonna happen. See if it softens up. All right, let's put it on. Let's hope we don't damage this light in any way, shape, or form. You could put it on wet. We're gonna put it on dry. Feels so crazy. Yeah, this is super nice stuff. All right, here we go. I kind of want this to work because it looks kind of cool. I low-key ordered a bunch of new window tints in. Oh my God, this smells so terrible. You can smell it? Oh my God, dude. I don't think this is healthy. I really don't. It's fine. Okay. You gotta take this pretty serious. All right, I'm gonna try to line this edge up in hopes that I can get all the creases. So right now I'm like trying to what they call like glassing it out, but I'm like basically stretching her out in hopes that we can get it to lay good. This is a little different than we normally would do it just because of the type of film that this is. It seems like it can take quite a bit of pressure. I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope I don't. I'm trying not to use too much heat because I'm unfamiliar with the product and I don't want to burn a hole through it. I'd like to at least see it have you guys see it tinted. We have no backup plan. I'm heating it up and it's getting softer and softer. You can see it kind of like growing and stretching in my hand. It's pulling on a little bit. I'm gonna slowly lay, oh God, this is fire. I think I got it. I'm trying to stretch it out here. I'm trying to figure this out because pretty much the way I look at it right now is you touch it, it creases up. We've like overheated it, trying to get the creases out. Well, we're just gonna have to get her on here. And it seems to be scratching really easy, so that's really good. So if you bought the cheapest thing on TEMU and you're shooting for a high quality installation, maybe you should have bought like at least the $6 version because this one is not fantastic. I probably wouldn't recommend leaving this on your car very long if you do happen to actually get it on there. Whoa, looking fire. All the colors going out of it. Let's try not to add any more heat to it so we can try to keep the color in there. I was trying to get the creases out and I got the color out of it. Shooting for awesome is we're out on that. I don't think we're gonna be selling this to customers anytime soon. This is like a train wreck. I honestly anticipated it did a better job. Maybe you're not supposed to put heat on it. I don't know. It's like totally clear there. Oh, it looks terrible. It's not looking good. Man, I can imagine you guys home in your garage right now thinking, what did I do? Now we're gonna have to order some good stuff of this to try to make it actually a cool version. It also like lost all adhesion kinda, like it separated. Instantly just melted kinda. That is good, it is going so well. Okay, yeah, so when you stretch it and heat it, it just kinda like distorts it. It looks terrible. It looks frighteningly terrible. It's extremely a lot of work for what I will consider probably no reward, but we'll get it on there anyway, and that way you don't have to feel bad if you're doing one at home. It'd surely look better than this. I don't know if we can list, I mean, could we list the comment in the comments, the link, so we can, okay. Yeah, that looks super fire. I honestly thought that it would work better than this. I had high anticipation, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay. That looks so good. Reminds me of my first one. Okay. Just put that right there. That looks very nice. All right. I think we got it. This definitely looks like some I've seen. All right, guys. Cheapest headlight tint on TEMU. Hiya. Maybe the Corvette was not the right pick for this film. Was it worth $3.84? I don't know. I don't think so. But comment on there, let me know. You know what I mean? Maybe if you did like some like little tiny fog lights, or like yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else you'd put that on. Like all this is not normal. This is like pretty terrible. Lost its color. And then like this is like, it completely just like failed. So yeah, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find some cool version of this. I'm gonna get it here. We'll throw it on, make it look dope. So check that out. And I got some new cool window tints about to pop off. Bro, I'm so hyped about these. I had to order them from another country and they're coming in hot. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait to show them off. All right, let's get this crap off here before it ruins the headlight. So, all right. All right, guys. Peace out. Thank you. Peace. Big peace. I'm out.